Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi guys, today I'm completing 1 year with Unacademy and I seriously cannot believe myself that how am I celebrating it. Now guys, this is what I got in gift. Thank you team Unacademy. I've seen a lot of unboxing videos and I never thought that I'll do it myself, but this is one among them. And guys, I've never unboxed something like this. It's iPad mini, Apple, lovely. Guys, it looks lovely. What's it? Oh wow. I'll take lectures on this from tomorrow. Thank you Unacademy. Thank you the team.